Right, here we go guys. Let's start taking this bathroom apart. First bit of demo. Good tip when you're doing bathroom rip outs, obviously turn all the water off first. That's one of the first things you do. But also, if you've got some bleach in the van, just chuck bleach down all the waste, down the sink, basin, down the bath, basin, anything like that, even the toilet, just chuck some bleach down there. Just makes it smell so much better, and plus kills anything nasty that shouldn't be there. Yes, I'm not wearing hobnail boots because I don't have to on this job. So basically it's about finding out if it's got any valves, which it has. The toilet has as well. And so is the basin. So we turn them all off first. As you can. That's the cold off. Let's get a stumpier screwdriver, I think, for that one. Bear with me 2 seconds, guys. Just grab a stumpier.